Kindly lead the prayer. Steve.
Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are.
Let the God, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Pat. Welcome to grade 8 SPA.
Before you will take your seat, kindly pick up some pieces of paper on the floor. Kindly arrange the chairs properly. Arrange. After that, you can take your seat.
Oy, nakapagpig na sa kita.
Okay, who is absent? Wala yung absent? Oh, excuse na lang mo ka. Okay. Ready na ba mo sa ating klase?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready na?
Yes.
Okay, so before that, I have here some numbers involving katong mga sign numbers, katong sign and unlike sign. Itong mga like sign and unlike sign numbers. All you need to do is to give directly the answer. Ha? Katong na positive, na negative, what's the answer? Okay? Okay, how about this one?
Ma'am. 6, Ma'am.
Did you learn, Manan?
Ma'am, 6.
Did you learn the answer? What's the answer? Positive? Positive 6. This one?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Positive. Positive.
14.
9 plus 15. Kasi di ba 15? 9 plus 6.
9 plus 6, so that is positive 15. This one?
0.
0.
Ay, ma'am, negative 25.
Negative 25.
Negative.
Negative 5.
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Negative 2.
Positive 6. Okay, very good. So now, let's first review on our previous discussion. But our review is a sort of, I will flash the equation. I will flash the equation on our TV. All you need to do is you need to identify if it is a linear function or not a linear function. Okay? A linear equation or not linear equation. So this is our learning competency for this discussion na. Solve slope of not able to solve. Okay. Y equals negative 2x. Linear equation or not linear equation? Linear equation.
Linear.
Linear equation. Not linear. Linear equation. Linear equation. So to sum it up, so there are three kinds of equations na nabilong sa linear equation. And then we have 3x squared equals y, 2 squared plus y equals 5 are not linear equations. So do you have questions on our previous discussion? Okay, so let's give a warm clap to all of us. Sige, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Sige. Okay, go! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, wow! Okay, so, okay, so we are done. So no more questions on our previous discussion. Let's have a short video on Peppa Pig riding his bicycle. So all you need to do, once yung buhaton, you need to observe and take note on the important things about the video. So watch the video sincerely, anawa ko sa ibukas sa video. So let's have first yung sir, kung sa sila. Sa mga importante na
That's a fine pumpkin, Daddy Pig.
Daddy Pig is very proud of his pumpkin.
Pumpkins are everything I can grow. Probably because I love pumpkin pie.
George, Daddy, Susie, Rebecca.
Peppa and her friends Danny Dog, Susie Sheep and Rebecca Rabbit are riding their bicycles. George is riding his bicycle.
It's very Let's race to Daddy Pig's pumpkin. If we race for Daddy's pumpkin, we have to be very careful not to bump into it. Then it would be very sad if the pumpkin got loaded. Don't worry, Peppa. Race you!
Peppa and her friends are racing to Daddy Pig's pumpkin.
Hey, watch out for the pumpkin!
Hooray! Peppa, look out! Daddy's pumpkin! Sorry, Daddy. Look at George, he's going so slowly. George is still riding a baby bike. George is a baby bike too, Peppa. You still got stabilizers. I can ride without my stabilizers. Me too. And me. Let's ride up the hill again. Are you coming, Peppa? No, I think I'll stay here.
Peppa wishes she did not have stabilizers on her bicycle.
Daddy, I don't want to stabilizers anymore.
Do you think you can run without them?
Yes!
Alright, Peppa, let's take them off.
Daddy Pig is taking the stabilizers off Peppa's bicycle.
Are you sure you want to ride without stabilizers?
Yes!
You've never done it before.
I can do it! I can! It's fine.
Riding without stabilizers is not easy.
Would you like to do it, Peppa?
Yes, please, Daddy.
Alright. Ready? Stephanie. Go! Don't worry, I've got you.
You're doing really well, Papa.
Just keep pedaling.
Peppa is riding on her own without stabilizers.
You've been cycling on your own for ages.
Have I? You're really very good at it. Am I? Oh, I can do it. Look at me. I can ride my bike properly. Daddy, Susie, Rebecca, look. I don't need my stabilizers anymore. Look at me. Where's the nice pumpkin?
Look out, my pumpkin.
I'm going to win.
Ay, naman.
Where she's going.
Sige ba?
Oh dear. Peppa has squashed Gabby Pig's pumpkin.
Sorry, I squashed your pumpkin, Daddy.
Never mind the pumpkin. The important thing is that you are okay. In future, you really must get what you're doing.
I promise I will, Daddy.
Good. Anyway,
Okay. Lahat ako sa pumpkin.
It's not. Magkakaroon na yung mga. Bye, ang ganan na.
Ha? Okay. So, after watching the video, so I have here a picture. So, heel number 1 and heel number 2. Question. Diba? After watching the video, you saw baby George and his si Peppa, no? Riding in bicycles. So, question. Which heel will be harder for George to pedal up? Yes, Aljumi. Okay, heel number 2. Very good. Why heel number 2? Yes, Steve. Okay, ang aton kayo ang heel number 2. How about on the next picture? We have heel number 3 and heel number 4. What's the question? So later on, George is going down 2 heels. Which heel will he gain more speed? Moy. Heel number 3? Is it heel number 3? Kaya padangga, kusog na yung dagan. Okay, good. How about Jumar? Jufil. Heel number 4. Tungod sa iyang ka? Alog sumon. Mo nang kusog ang iyaang dagan sa heel number 4. So, heel number 4, that is the heel that we gain more speed. To sum it up, okay, to sum it up, when we go on a bike, di ba? Kung mag-bike ka, kung uphill ang atuang daganan, pasaka, di ba? Kung sa imo ang batiyon, kapoy, hangak pa dyan. Whereas, kung palusok siya, dayon, uban, manggani, buwi nagkamot, kay ka na nalaging tuloy na kayo. So, pag-usapan ta, makainom ta nga, I hate bike. Pero, so downhill ta, munaog ta, I love bike. Sabay naman ta sa dagan sa tuwang bike, no? Pero, careful lang na. Ito kay dili man sa ng panahon na, dili ta makuan din ha. So, we have up here and down here. So, when you see the measure of how hard it is for George to pedal up, the hill or how much speed he gains downhill is known as slope. So, di na slope? Okay. Based on our video na kung gitanaw, that is, saman, riding a bicycle downhill, uphill, or nasa patag, no? So, this morning, we will discuss about how to solve slope of a line. How to solve slope of a line. That is solve slope of a line. So, based on the competency, we have, or you are able to solve slope of a line for this discussion. So, in math, the steepness or inclination of the ladder or inclination of the hill represents the slope of a line. So, when you say slope of a line, when you say slope of a line, it determines the steepness or inclination of the line with the ratio rise over run. So, rise, musaka, dayon, dagan. We have the formula. Slope M stands for slope ha. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then dapat si x sub 2 minus si x sub 1 dapat dili sila equal. Kaya kung equal sila, mahimo undefined answer. Okay. So there are 4 different types of graph ang slope of a line. Let's have first this one. Remember, if the slope of a line is positive, the graph rises from left to right. Is it uphill or downhill?
Uphill.
Okay, so that is uphill. Paangat. At ang slope ana positive. Kung muangata. Pero, kung the slope is negative, the graph of the line stands downward. So, panaog. So, that is downhill. So, that is the second graph. Okay. Ito na, huwi na siya I love bike. Huwi na siya kamot. Okay. So, that is our slope is negative if that is downhill. Kung uphill, slope is positive. If the slope is 0, nasa sa patag. Okay. O, naran. Nana siya sa patag. O, look, no ways na siya kay patag man. Yan ang makuha na safe na kuha ni kay patag. No, wala yung mo'y bato-bato. So, look na, no hands. Pero kautor ka na, wala to ha. Okay, yapo ta mag-biraguan. Careful, yapo ta. This is the third one. What is the first?
Positive.
Slope is positive if downhill, uphill. Negative slope, downhill. Kung 0 ang slope, okay, nata sa horizontal.
Surface.
Horizontal. So what if our slope is undefined? Sabi slope ay undefined.
Vertical.
Okay, that is vertical. Saan na siya? Nahulog. Nahulog sa pampang. Nahulan na. So, ang madagan sa tahunan. So that is, our slope is undefined. So, sa to, kung undefined ang slope, sa itong graph,
Vertical.
vertical. 0 ang slope, what is our graph? Horizontal. If our slope is positive,
Ahead.
uphill. If our slope is negative, downhill. So remember always the 4 types of graph or slope of a line. So let's learn more about slope of a line. Dili lang siya sa math, nato siya kita. We can also have this one in physics or in science, di ba? We can relate slope of a line in saka kinetic energy and potential energy. Unsa rin ang kinetic energy?
Dali ako, ma'am.
Ha? Unsa rin ang nag-need ta og force kaya nag-need pa tag energy. Di ba? Kung pasaka kanan nag-bike. Di ba? Kaya sa ato ang i-discuss ganina, kung pasaka siya, slope positive. Dahil siya sa potential energy, kung saan slope? Zero. Very good. Kung panahon na, okay, negative. So, yun na, no? Dili na kayo math ang ato ang mapanana. Pwede na to siya ma-relate sa two science subject. Sa kinetic and potential energy. So, we can also have this one. Tanan sa aral pa. History. Sa Manila. Ang sana to makita ang pinaka-steepest stairs in the world. And we found in Huangshan Mountain in China. So the slope here will be a large positive number. Sa ato ka, grabe ka. Ang aton. Tanawa na kung ganyan ko ano? Usa ka magkana. Pero magbuhat ko sa pala mo, magkabahulog. Pero namin siya hagdan. Dahil pa na wala ka na din ng mga isog dito ang client para lamang share, mahadlok. Kita kayo, ako mahadlok ako, ako na gani kong habog na, wala kong tuhod, ako kurog na. To, yun na, kanang usa ka gani kag habog ng kuwan. Kana. Wala kong kuwan. Kana lang, utungtong ganita ng usa ka, ganita ng malito. Pagtanaw lang sa ubos, wala nang gibiran nito na ako sa ubos. Pero akong tukod, hindi nakalangkaw kayo. Wala na po. Kanil, the steps of San Francisco include some of the biggest hills in a US city. The slope shown in the picture to the left will be negative. So, grabe ka. Simon. Grabe ka ng sumon. Wala naman ako ito na lang sumon. So we can also apply this one sa aral pa, ha? Parang history, ang pinaka-steepest, biggest nga, negative slope, ito din ha sa lugar din na. Okay? So let's proceed on how to find the slope given the 2 points. We need to use the formula. Sa formula, okay, you can have this formula ha. Formula. Na ang formula din ha. We have x sub 2 or m. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Dapat x sub 2 equal ni x sub 1 pala dili ma 0. Modify na ito ang okay. Modify. Mahulog na tayo. Let's have example number 1 on how to solve. Determine the slope of a line that passes through the points 1, 2, and 3, 5. Asay x sub 1 din ha. Okay. 1. Dayon, y sub 1, y sub 2, and y sub 2. So after identifying the x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2, so ano ninyo? Inyong i-minus 5. Then we have our y sub 1 is 2. Dayon, x sub 2 nga 3, mahimo na siyang 3. Dayon, atong x sub 1, which is 1, so 1 ang 3 minus 1. So 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So what is our slope?
5.
3 over 2. Positive, negative. Downhill, uphill. Uphill. How about example number 2? That one. 3, 4, 6, 2. Where is x sub 1 still?
Number 3.
3. 3, x sub 1. Okay, very good. X sub 2, lasik.
Sub ko, 1 month, 6.
X sub 2, that is 6. Si y sub 1, klang.
4.
Okay, 4. Dayon, ano y sub 2? James? Okay, 2. So, na-identify na nato tanan ha. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Sunod. So, ano ka? Substitute sa formula nga. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, 2 minus 4, dayon 6 minus 3. So, pila ng 2 minus 4? Carlo, pila man ang 2 minus 4, Carlo? 2 minus 4. Negative 2. Very good. 6 minus 3. Jillian. Positive 3. So, the answer is negative 2 thirds. Our slope is third. Downhill, uphill. Downhill. Negative slope. Okay. You do it. Activity number 1. Let you do it. Let me do it. Kamu na na yung magawa. You solve that one in your notebook. You try to solve that one in your notebook.
Easy.
Ang y sub 1.
Identify sila na papunta.
Identify first x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So after identifying the x sub 1, y sub 1, dito na rin yung substitute sa formula. Okay, mana?
Allah ka.
Na? Sige, gagawin. Let's try.
Ay, balik-balik ako.
Sub 1, sub 1. Ayaw kalimot, kanang naguna, muna yung magdala sa x sub 1, y sub 1. Ikaduha, mo magdala sa x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Exchange. Exchange. Exchange with your seatmate. Exchange. Okay. Okay, let's have the answer. Okay, who will answer? Maris. Maris. You solve the
Explain, ma'am. Okay. Ay, yan.
Same.
Ano yung explain ko? Siya. Siya ko.
Kasi exact 1, exact 2. Exact 1.
Yan, naka-stream ang karon. Sa inyong group
Exact 1.
Oh, yan. Laro. Ay, bilang ko sa kama. Ay, press. Yung kayo, kids man to. Where is kayo mag-doon?
Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Exact 2, 6, 3. Okay, let's check kung correct ba ang answer ni Maris.
Yay!
Okay, the answer is
Sorry.
Yay!
correct. You get 5 points.
Yay! Uy, ano na? 3.
5 points down.
3. Minus 6 na. Ang dami sa mga points. Third quarter.
1 remember.
Okay, do you have questions? Do you have questions? Wala. Boys, nasaltan, what is how to solve slow pumalay?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha? Okay. Basta kayo always remember, if our slope is positive, our graph is uphill. If our slope is negative, our graph is downhill. If our slope is 0, okay, horizontal line. Kung undefined, okay. So, we will have a group activity. We will have a group activity. I will group you into 4 groups. 4 groups. Kindly count. You start, Ivy. 4.
4. Jim. Oh.
Okay. Can you say here group 1? Okay, group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Kindly go to your group silently. Okay, you make a circle with your you make a circle. Sige, circle. Okay. Circle with your group. Circle. Okay, you choose a leader. Ayun. Inyo ang secretary to write your members. Write on a 142 paper, the members. And then, you choose 2 reporters. So, I will give you illustration board. Alam mo kung
Kami na naman tayo.
so, you will write your answer on the illustration board. Okay. What's your favorite one, Anin? So, gusto ninyo? Apple. How about yours? Sige, orange. Yung mga grapes. So, I will give you 3 minutes to solve. 3 minutes for you to solve.
Ma'am, diretso na naman. Bisa mo yan?
Oh, i-identify isang X sub 1, isang X sub 2, Y sub 2, X sub 2. Tangi ha? Okay, you identify first. Two reporters ha? Two reporters. O siya rin mag-lead kung saan lang siya. So you choose two reporters for you to. No reporters, walang try mo. Explain dito sa board.
Ako lang din po. Are you done? Okay, are you done? Post on the board. Isa yun na. Ang group 1. Sige. Reporters na may buhawi. Una daan. Ayaw na. Amoy buhawi na na. So first sila. Second mo. Third. Okay, reporters. So first, okay, first group to explain, we have group 1. Okay, sila may una po nakahumain. So, tanawin na itong concept ba nila ang output para matagalan na sila og 10 points. Sige. Explain. Everybody listen.
Ang Y sub 2 kay wait, ang Y sub 1 kay Y sub 2 is 4 Y I think sub 2 equal X sub 1 is 1.
Wala niya kay y sub 2 minus y sub 1 and x sub 2 minus y x
Kaya tanong makita.
x sub 1. Ayun. Ang y sub 2 niya kay 3 minus ang y sub 1 niya kay 2. Yan ang answer 1. And ang x sub 1 ay x sub 2 niya kay 2. Kay 4 din lang. 4. Ayun. Sige mo. Minus
X sub 1?
x sub 1 kay 1. Ang answer kay 3. Positive ay positive.
What is our graph? Up here, down here.
Paano, ma'am?
Uphill.
Downhill.
Ha?
Uphill.
Positive. So our graph is
Uphill.
uphill. Okay, let's give 5 claps to group 1. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, next. Thank you, group 1. Let's proceed to group 2. Everybody listen to the reporters.
This is the exam 1 for exam 2, 6, and exam 1, 5, exam 2.
May tanawa, yan ang tanong. Ano mga ganun? Sige, dayon.
So our formula, we have y sub 2 minus y sub 1
Sibo kayo.
over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So ang y sub 2 na ito may ganito. Ang y sub 1, dito na ito na.
Ayun.
Ang x sub 2 ay 6. Dito ang x sub 1, 4 mo. Minus na lang 2 minus 5 equals negative 33. That's over 6 minus 4 equals 2 ma'am. So ang answer, negative 3 over 2. So negative ma'am.
Their graph.
Look small.
Okay, downhill. Okay, very good. Let's give 5 claps to group 2. Okay, proceed to group 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, start group 2.
Our number is 10, 5, and 10, 5. So, in the first number, 10 is x sub 1 and 5 is y sub 1. And another number is 10, x sub 2, 5, y sub 2. So, the formula is slope y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang x sub 2 kay 5. Ang x sub 1 kay 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. And ang x sub 2 is 10 and x sub 1 is 10 is equal to 0.
So the answer is
0.
your slope is 0. So your graph is horizontal. Okay, very good. Let's give 5 claps to group 3. Okay, let's have the last group, group 4.
This is x sub 1 is 0.
Yan na, ulit tayo makita. Ato ang mga makita nila sa group 1.
Then y sub 1 is x sub 2 is 2. Then y sub 2 is 4. Then ang formula y sub
Listen everybody.
dayon y sub 1 dayon x sub 2 dayon x sub 1.
Dayon ang pan kay ang x sub 1 kay 4, dayon ang x sub 3 kay ang y sub 1
Ang y sub
3.
2, ang y sub 2,
Ang y sub 2 kay 4, dayon ang y sub 1 kay 3.
then x sub 2,
Then ang x sub 2 kay 2, dayon ang y sub 2 kay
x sub 2,
x sub 2 kay
x sub 2 is 2, then x sub 1 is 2. So, pila yung answer?
4 minus 3 equals 1 dayon 2 minus 4 equals 0.
So,
So,
undefined down.
undefined. So, sa atong graph na, undefined.
Vertical.
Vertical. Okay, very good. Let's give 5 claps to group 4. Ay,
Di ba ang horizontal ma'am ay 0?
0.
Kita talo, negative 0.
Wala may negative 0. Wala yung negative 0. Okay? So, let's give everybody a congratulations clap, right? All of you participated, cooperated, banano. Then, sige, let's give congratulations. So, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations! Okay? correct answer. But the first group to finish, the first group to finish is group 1. Group 1. Kagay, kung tagaan pa na ko na 1. Kami mga points. Ha? So, we have group 1. So, congratulations group 1. Kaya kamo ang una and then your answer is correct. So, i-congratulate na to. Yay! Okay? Kindly go back to your seat. Return.
Turn to the honor.
Go back to your seat. Silently, silently. Kaya saan ang orange? Nawala. Ikaw. Okay. Is it important to have a group activity?
Yes.
Why?
Para makinabangan.
Lassie.
Para ating more.
Para living work. Ano ba?
Para mates.
Steve.
Para mates ang tutok.
Mates ka pagkutok. Mates kung nakabalo magiging wala. Kay, dapat magiging ka, kung saman?
Color.
Diba? 2 heads. Gingon nila na 2 heads. Better than 1. Wala mang ko'y normal. So that is teamwork. What did you employ with your group para maabot mo o mas successful ang inyong output? Nagtinabangay.
Magsinagtanan.
Nagsinabtanay. Isa pa. Cooperate. Teamwork. Muna inyong value na inyong saman, inyong apply sa inyong group. Nagkasinabot mo yan, nakagamagod, ang muna.
Correct.
Okay? So, it is important to cooperate, It is important to cooperate, especially sa atuang mga household chores. Diba? Ano maghilo ka sa balay? We need to cooperate with our mother, sister, sa atong brother, para mahuman dali ang trabaho. So, importante yung kayo ang cooperation, teamwork sa usa ka grupo. Okay, next. So, okay. So let's have, before we'll have our quiz or our evaluation, let's have first a summary on our discussion. So again, what is the formula in solving the slope of a line? Yes, Steve?
M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus y sub x sub 1.
X sub 1. M stands for? Milrose. Slope. Okay, very good, Steve. Very good. Milrose. Dayon, there are 4 different types of graph nga sa slope. First, if our slope is positive, what is our graph, Jillian? Positive ang slope. What is our graph? Downhill, uphill. That is uphill. Very good. How about our slope? If our slope is negative. Downhill. Very good. If our slope is 0, what is our graph? Algebra. Horizontal. Correct? If our slope is amplified, what is our graph, Marian? vertical. Okay, very good. Do you have any questions? Wala. Clarification? Okay, let's proceed to our activity for you to solve. Okay.
Yes,
Individual. Quick one. Give them answer. Don't forget to write your name, ha? And section.
5, 6.
Okay?
Exam 1 is equal to
So identify first X sub 1, Y sub 1, X sub 2, Y sub 3.
ano may negative ane.
Diyan mo sa inyong buwan. Pwede na na-erasure. Pwede na na-erasure kaya dahil solving. Diba? You know already kung na negative lakad. Okay, solve. After identifying the X sub 1, X sub 2, Y sub 2, you solve using the formula. Identify na lang po doon sa iyang graph. Uphill, downhill, horizontal, or vertical. Are you done? So those who are finished, kindly review your solution, your answer, review. So, anak ko, review. Okay, gisay mo na. Sige, pass.
Ito, kami yun.
Ako ba na? Ha? Okay, identify na siya. Ano siya? Uphill, downhill, horizontal, or vertical?
Sakto. Sunod na yun.
Ano? Ano? Okay, last 2 minutes. So those who are done, kindly copy your assignment. Copy your assignment. Ano na isa? Okay ka na? Line up. That passes to 4163. Okay, pass. Okay, now may solve. Okay, so kindly copy your assignment. Okay? So, you are done. So let's end this discussion with this moral lesson. So try until you succeed. Palili lang ta, mapabilin na. Luya no, saka ganda sa bungtod. Aron makabot na to ang success. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless. So everybody stand for our closing prayer. Kindly lead a prayer. Clap. Are you ready to pray, classmates?
Yes, we are. God, my Lord and dear, all blessed nature, ever He say at my side, light and guide for all and guide. Amen.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.